Entering the door, we will do our outside knobs, front of door. Each time we're in and out. Inside, usually when I'm doing this by myself, I do the whole door. As we come around, we hit the light switch. Go down, make sure that we get our baseboard on our blackboard. Wipe that down. And every so often, I do change my paper towel. I do not spray up here because the computer, I will spray my paper towel, wipe back and forth, not drying it, but making sure it soaks in. So we will go down, spray our desk, back a chair, and it takes a minute for it to actually work. Since I sprayed this last, I will start back at the top and not dry it, but spread it. Chairs back, see?
The chemical actually has a 5-minute dwell time, which means that within 5 minutes it will kill 99.9% of all germs and bacteria. The reason she's not rubbing it until it's dry is we do the rubbing more so to spread out the disinfectant so that we cover all surfaces evenly and make sure that we clean and disinfect as much space as possible and as efficiently as possible. So the things that she does is she hits what we call the high touch areas, which include desktops and sides, chair fronts and backs where they're pulled out, and as you can see when she finishes this row, by the time we come back to the front, things will have dried out and this entire half of the room will be disinfected. Yes, any instructor or facility or staff member that needs disinfecting supplies, which will include a bottle of the disinfectant and a roll of paper towels, they will be supplied. We have those available at facility services. Come by, pick it up, or we can deliver it to the classroom through the work order system. And the reason we use paper towels is because we can dispose of the paper towels.
Yes.
We will not be spreading anything around that may not have died. We don't want to cross-contaminate any other surfaces.